So welcome back to my channel. This is our day 6 of our 21 days challenge. I'm really excited to share this knowledge today for you about the foundations. Okay, today we are going to learn in depth about the foundations. If you guys are like new to my channel, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Subia. I'm a bridal makeup specialist and also a makeup expert coach. Okay, to start with today's class, we are on the journey of 21 days challenge where we are on the 6th day. To start this one, I'll just in the last this one we understood the undertones and all. Today we'll understand that what is the right shade to choose for your skin. Wow, what is the like mistakes you make to choose the shade for your face, what is the mistakes to avoid. I'll be giving the whole guide on that, so be attentive, be watching this video with a lot of like notes, by making the notes so that you can understand in the better way. To start with, let us start with our video with how to like choose your exact shade of your foundation. To start with, let us start. Okay guys, to start with, let us start with today's session about how to choose a right foundation shade. For that I have applied three kinds of shades here. Okay, as you people can see, I have already applied this orange color corrector here and around the mouth. Wherever I have the pigmentation, I have applied the orange corrector. Because we are going step by step, this is the step of the foundation what we are going to do now. So I haven't like done the this one and all in the front, because whenever I'll be doing the makeup looks in the totally, I'll be showing you how to do the full this one steps. Okay, now I have applied the orange corrector. Now I have applied three colors here. One is like little bit the fair, one is medium, and one is dark shade. These are the shades in Forever 52. Just see how to mix and match the shades. After you learn how to mix and match the shades, then you can create the amazing results. Then you can go on learning other things. Okay, see, this is fair. If I apply this, it will not be suitable for my skin. This is like medium. See, if I apply this also, it will be little bit more. If I apply this, it will be little bit darker. Three colors are also not suiting my exact skin tone. Then what I have to do? If it is not suiting, this is fair, I have to leave this. This is little bit, the little bit fairer, I have to like keep this. This is darker, so this is darker, this is fair, medium. What I have to do is I have to mix and match this two colors also, this color also, this color also. If I mix, I'll get my exact skin tone color. Okay, I'll get my exact skin tone color. For that, what I'll do is I'll mix and match the both colors and show you that what exact color is going to like get created. Okay, now you people can see this is Forever 52 foundation. What I'll do is I'll take one pump of the medium shade. This is in the caramel shade, which is medium color. These are the two pumps what I have taken. Now in this, what I'll do is I'll add little bit of the darker color. See, this is in the shade FL003. I'll take one, I'll take two, then I'll mix this both and I'll see the result what it is going to create on my face. Okay, I'll mix this both with the help of the finger only. If you have like spatula or something, you can mix with that. After mixing it very nicely, I'll apply this here and I'll see. Now see, it got created the exact result. See, this is how you mix and match the foundation and create the exact shade of your face. Now how to choose the foundation? You'll go for the like shop and you'll ask for the shopkeeper to just show the foundation. What she or he'll do is they'll ask your wrist and they'll apply the foundation here and they'll show you as like buy this foundation. Without knowing what you do, you go and buy off that foundation. Don't do this mistake. Always ask that lady or a person to apply the shade here and just blend it with a finger and see that whether it is matching your face or not. On the face also, you have to select such a area on your face which is like exactly fair part of your skin. You shouldn't select this part, you shouldn't select this part, because these are all the pigmentation parts. On my skin, this area is the fairer area on my face, so I'll choose this. I'll mix and match the foundation according to that. See, it is getting exactly matched for this one. What if you guys have already bought some like fair foundation, now if you want to make that foundation exactly to your skin tone, what you can do is go and buy some darker shade in that only. Now mix two drops and just add and see. If it is not going, if you feel that it is little bit fair, more fair, then you add one more drop of like dark color. if I feel that no, it is going little bit darker, then add little bit of like fairer color. In that way you just mix and match the foundations, then you'll get to know that how to match the foundation exactly to your skin shade. Now this was about the skin shade. Now I have said you oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, dry skin. For this, I mean the skin types, what is the exact foundation shade you have to like choose, what is the exact foundation you have to choose which will match the skins. I'll just complete of this whole look with this foundation which I created, then I'll come back and I'll let you know about all that. Okay, to do this also, see guys, to do this also, what I'll do is I'll take one sponge. This is from the PSC Cosmetics. You can take a normal sponge also. You should like keep this in the water, squeeze all the water, wet this sponge, then take this one foundation here and then apply all over and cover the neck and ears and everything. Okay, I'll just cover all these things and I'll come back and I'll give you the next knowledge. Okay guys, so this is my final look after applying the foundation, after giving a even base. Now you understood why color correction is like needed. See, if you want to color correct, then you have to like what, if you apply directly the foundation, if you apply the foundation here, the color will be different here and the color will be different here, because the pigmentation, black pigmentation is different, and the skin tone here, it is totally different. So to match that, what we'll do is we'll apply such a kind of corrector that it will hide that black color. Then on that we can give a smooth base. For that sake we do the color correction. Okay, after this base is done, what is the next step? Next step is, in some cases foundation will not match the undertone. Okay, if I'm matching the like how I match the two foundation and made one foundation, in some cases after matching also it may match your skin color, but sometimes it will feel as it a little bit more fair or something, it is not matching the this one undertone. Sometimes the undertone will be yellow but it is not matching. In that case what you have to do is you will get a yellow color, like in this Makeup Studio palette also you'll get a yellow color like this. Normally in LA Girl also, I'll just mention that also, here you will get a yellow color in that also. In that case what you have to do is take a little bit of yellow tinge and add that yellow tinge in the foundation. After mixing the foundation, then mix that foundation and apply. It will be a perfect one for you. Okay, now when that is done, what is the next step? If you are a cool undertone, if you are a cool undertone and you have like pinkish and also a peach color and it is not matching that undertone, that foundation, if the foundation, if you are buying a foundation which is like cool undertone, which is mentioned that it is for cool undertone, then it may match and mix. If you mix and match, then it may become a perfect shade. When you buy a foundation, warm undertone foundation, and you have to make it as a cool for the like clients or someone who is like in the cool undertone, what you have to do is you have to buy a color called blue color. Blue color tinge you'll get, I'll mention that photo also here of LA Girl. You'll get that blue color in the Forever 52 palette also. What you have to do is take little bit of that blue color and add that in the foundation and apply, then it will be perfectly matching to the cool undertone. Okay, this was about the cool undertone. When it comes to a neutral undertone, and then what you have to do is, if you're buying a foundation which is like neutral undertone foundation, that is totally okay, it may go perfectly, that is mentioned as it will be mentioned as a cool, I mean in the neutral undertone, then you can buy, you can mix and match, it will be perfect. In the case, in some case what happens is, if you're buying a foundation like warm undertone or any other undertone and it is not matching your undertone also, sometimes it can match directly because the foundations you get in India are, here in India are, if you mix match the foundation, the undertone automatically get created because they put the undertone in such a way in the foundations. Okay, if sometimes it is not happening, then what you have to do is you should add the olive color. Olive color you will get that also. I mean, how to get that olive color? If you match, I mean if you mix that blue color and yellow color, you get a color called olive color. That olive color you will get in the Forever 52 palette also. You'll get a, I mean the green color what we use for the color correction of the pimples and all, that kind of like olive color you can take, and if you mix in the foundation and apply, it will become a neutral undertone. Okay, this was about okay, I mean sorry. So this was about the warm, cool and neutral undertone, how to match the foundations according to the undertones it was. Okay, now you may say as, ma'am, my skin is normal, my skin is dry, my skin is oily, my skin is combination, which type of foundation should I choose? What kind of like foundation will be best? You'll get a variety of foundations. Some foundations will be in a liquid form, some foundations you will get it as a cream base, some foundations you will get it in a pot base, some foundation you'll get it in a powder base. You'll get a lot kind of like base in the foundations. Okay, what is the main step to apply that kind of foundations according to your skin type? So let us go for the foundations, how to understand whether the foundation, what kind of foundation it is. Okay, to start with, I'll take this Derma and also a Supra palette. These two palettes are from the Krylon only. What I'll take this two palettes. If you want to know what is your this one, what is the difference, you can go to any shop and ask them to show the Derma and Supra palette. Okay, I'll show you the difference. Just see the difference first. This is a Supra palette, this is a Derma palette. Okay, this foundation, if I am taking like this, see the consistency guys, it is like totally, it is like oily and it get blends so nicely. So okay, this is one step. And this is Derma palette. If I take this foundation, if I am rubbing like this, it is coming so tightly, it is becoming so tight. If I do like this also, it will be so tight to blend, it will be too thicker. It means it will be too thicker in that way. Okay, one foundation is like normal foundation, which will be like soft base. One foundation will be like very hard base, very thick foundation, that kind of foundations. Okay, these are the two variations. Now for what kind of skin type you have to apply the foundation which is smooth, and for what kind of the skin you have to apply the foundation which is like a thicker in the form. Okay, now you got to know the difference between how the foundation, one foundation will be like smooth, one foundation will be too thicker. Okay, if you go to any shop and if you just take the trail pieces, and if you see and if you just swatch and see, you'll get to know that, oh, this is called as a thick foundation, this is called as a very soft blending foundation. You'll get to know that in that. Okay, now what kind of like for what kind of skin tone, what kind of like the skin type, what kind of foundation you have to use. For the skin like oily skin, the skin which is creating a lot of oil, lot of sweat, for that kind of skin, use thicker foundations. You will get this thicker foundation in the liquid base also, you will get in the in the cream based also, in the whatever base you choose, you will get a thicker base. One foundation you will get it as a thicker base, one more foundation in the same, like in the liquid, you will get it as very smooth base. Okay, there will be like difference. Only the difference you have to understand is the base which is soft and the base which is thick. Okay, the thicker base which is like very thick, that kind of base is used for the skins which are oily skins. Like the Huda Beauty foundation, it is very thick foundation. If you apply like this, if you leave for like little bit of seconds, it get dry up soon and you can't blend that foundation. That kind of foundations which are in the thicker base, that kind of foundation works amazing on oily skin. It works really amazing on the oily skin people. So the oily skin people can get those kind of like foundations which are in the thicker base. So some kind of like foundations like the Maybelline Superstay, or like the foundations L'Oreal Infallible, they may be in the liquid base, they may also not so thicker, but that kind of foundations are good for the oily skin. Okay, now when you come for the dry skin, for the dry skin people, you cannot use thicker base, not at all. You shouldn't use the thicker base for the dry skin, because the thick foundation makes the skin dry. If you're using that kind of foundation on a dry skin, again it will make the skin double dry. Okay, don't use the thicker base foundation on the dry skin, like the Huda Beauty foundation, or the some kind of like Derma foundation, or some kind of foundations which you feel as it is like thick base. Then don't buy that foundations for the dry skin. Use such kind of foundations which are smooth. In the liquid base also, in the cream base also, you will find a foundation which are very smooth, like I showed you the Supra palette, that kind of foundation, Forever 52, and many foundations are there. You can buy such kind of foundation after touching and feeling that. If you are feeling that foundation is very soft, then you can buy that foundation for the skin type which is, you say, the dry skin type. Okay, for normal skin type both also works good and amazing. For the combination skin also, maybe sometimes the combination skin also becomes drier. For that kind of like skin also, you can go, if your combination skin and the dryness is more on the face, you can go with the foundations which are in the soft base, that will not make your skin more dry. Okay, make sure to use this kind of like foundations. Okay, what is the difference between the drugstore product and also a high-end product which we say as HD product in the foundations. Okay, both also give the same look only, both works same only. If you mix and match, both creates the result same only. But the difference, only the difference is the foundations which are HD products that give you a long stay, for the long time it will stay on your face. For the foundations which are not I mean the high HD products like Maybelline, drugstore products like Maybelline, Lakme and all, those will also give you the perfect, this one, the face makeup what you want, but it will not stay for more longer, because those are the water based foundation. Liquid foundations, the HD foundations are the silicone based foundation, so it will stay for very long. And the foundations which are like the drugstore like Maybelline and this one and all, those foundations also give the exact effect, but it will not stay up to more than like 2 hours or something like that. Okay, the difference is only that. In upcoming classes we'll be like doing the half of the face the makeup with the, I mean the drugstore, half with the high end, so you'll get to know more. For now, just understand this kind of like foundations, the foundations which I have inquired, which I have researched. I'll mention all that foundations below in the description link, that what kind of like foundation is best for what skin type. If you're normal skin type, what foundations will be best for you, and if you're like this skin, what kind of like foundations will be best for you. In that I'll mix and match the I mean the HD brands also, the drugstore brands also. Then in the further upcoming classes I'll just explain you that what kind of like base you should give for what kind of like makeup look. Till that, just make a notes and take a like whole knowledge. When we go further, then you can decide that what kind of like product you want to buy. Okay, for now don't go and buy any kind of like product, because you exactly, I don't know that what kind of like makeup look you want. If you want like very simple party kind of look and everything, but you want that this one also to stay longer, the procedure is totally different, the foundation is totally different for that. So according to your this one, whatever makeup looks I'll be doing, choose the foundation according to that. Okay, till that, don't make a decision on choosing the foundation, just go through and just see the foundations and just explore and see. For today, this was the whole knowledge. Now let me know in the comments that you understood this whole topic or not. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class, where I'll be sharing you about the highlighting and contouring, that what kind of like contouring should be done, and what is the like main this one about the doing the contouring and everything. Okay, for that, this one, till that you make the notes, make a lot of notes. And also, if you are new to my channel, then you can join my WhatsApp group also, where you will be getting the regular updates on the tutorials that I'll be uploading. So for today, this was the whole knowledge. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till that, take care, stay home, stay safe, and also try to create some value in others' life. Okay, bye bye, take care.